Now, incessant protests by some discharged soldiers at the Federal Ministry of Finance. It will be recalled that the federal government of Nigeria implemented the new minimum wage for all federal government workers in July 2024. Before the implementation of the minimum wage, there was a chart based on which gratuity and security debarment allowance was calculated for soldiers, and then the minimum wage chart. So basically, there were two charts in 2024. The first chart was what we call pre-minimum wage chart, which was effective 1st January 2024 to 28 July 2024. I repeat, 1st January 2024 to 28 July 2024. There was a chart based on which retired soldiers or retired military personnel's emoluments were being calculated. Then the second chart was the real minimum wage chart, which took effect from 29th July to date. Now, calculation of gratuity and security debarment allowance. Gratuity and security debarment allowance for military personnel is calculated based on salary chart on the effective date of retirement. So if a soldier is retired today, the subsisting chart that his emolument will be calculated will be based on the chart today. If tomorrow another chart comes out, that soldier's emolument will not be calculated based on that. Unfortunately, the soldiers who retired between 1st January 2014 to 28 July 2024, I say again, those soldiers who retired from 1st January 2024 to 28 July 2024, before the implementation of the new minimum wage, wanted their gratuity and security debarment allowance to be calculated based on the new minimum wage chart.